Hi guys! Meet Kim, my super favorite husky. Actually, si Kim ang aking very first Siberian Husky. Sobrang smart nitong aking dog na to. Very smart, talented. Kaya lang dumating talaga yung time na nagkaroon siya ng sakit. He was diagnosed with leptospirosis. So ito yung time na nagpahirap talaga sa kanya. Nagpahina ng kanyang katawan. At dito na nag-start na nag-deteriorate ang kanyang health. But nevertheless, super sweet pa rin ang aking Kim. Now, he is in the province at nagpapalakas pa siyang muli para makarecover siya. So, again, I miss you so much, Kim. Sobrang miss na kita. See you this coming weekend. I love you and I miss you so much. I love you, Kim.